Hello everyone, myself Prabhupreet Singh. I belong to a Najibabad city, which is situated in district Bijnor. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Application from Vardhaman College. After that, I have completed my MCA from Galgottias University, which is situated in Greater Noida. After completing my graduation and post-graduation, I am seeking an opportunity in IT field, and I have tried a lot of scenarios. I was give my resume in different kind of companies, and they never reply me back. Sometimes I got an interview call and I was present there, but they told me that we will give you feedback, but no one can revert me. After this scenario is going on, one of my friend told me about evision. Like after that I contact to Neha ma'am, and they told me about the evision process. Like they we have a 45 days training period. After completing your training period, you will get a call from different MNCs companies like Wipro, IBM, TCS, Accenture, and many more. So I started training in Avison, and I have completed my 45 days training period. After that, I was receiving a call from different companies. Recently I got selected in Cinepolis, and my current package is 3.75 LPA, and my position is IT supervisor. So thank you for Evision team. Like all of the member in a Evision team is very supportive and very caring in nature. If you call them, they will call you back, or they can receive. If you are stuck in any kind of problem, they can help you to get it out. Priya ma'am is very supportive. They will mostly Priya ma'am will help me. Neha ma'am will help me. If I got stuck in any condition, I will contact them. They can help me, they can guide me. I will give you I will thank you from I will thanks for Priya ma'am, so they can give me this kind of opportunity and this kind of support. And without a vision team it is not possible, I think. So I can got IT position in a company. So thank you Neha ma'am, thank you Priya ma'am, thank you Sati ma'am, thank you Ganesh sir. Ganesh Murthy sir is also very good. They told me how to handle situation in different kind of scenarios. What is the company processor, they can told everything in details. So thank you Avision team, thank you so much.